Alternator arrived in bits and pieces.
The main stator. The rotor.
Severe flashing turns on the edge of the stator core. View of winding on non-connection side.
Stator painted and ready for insertion of insulation paper.
Ready for rewinding after passing core test.
Insertion of Class H insulation slot liner.
View of connection and insertion of first coil, confirming the right coil projection. Rewinding services on progress. Rewinding in progress. Rewinding almost completed as seen on connection end. Rewinding almost completed as seen on non-connection end. All coils inserted. All coils inserted as seen on the connection end.
ISO certified quality insulation materials used in separation and binding of non-connection side on progress. Binding of connection side on progress. Binding of the connection end complete. Identification of the supply leads connection on progress. Binding of the non-connection end complete and ready for varnishing. View of the connection end after varnishing and oven cure.
View of the non-connection end after varnishing and oven cure.
Alternator tested, painted and ready for dispatch.
Sprintex Engineering Services
for qualified electric motor rewinding services and engineering works.